Introduction: Building better habits for a better life. Before we dive into today's video, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more content on transforming your mindset and improving your habits. This video is all about rewiring your brain by changing small daily habits that can lead to big results. Let's jump right in. 1. Wake up with purpose and stop wasting time. Start each day with clear intent. Too many of us wake up and drift through the day without purpose, letting time slip by. But time is precious, and if we're not intentional with it, we lose it. The first step to a better life is simple: stop wasting your time. Instead of going through the motions, ask yourself, what am I building today? Whether it's growing your career, focusing on your health, or improving your mindset, make sure your actions are purposeful. By owning your mornings and beginning your day with clarity, you set yourself up for success. It's not about being busy. It's about being intentional with your time. When you wake up with purpose, everything else falls into place. 2. Plan your day before the world distracts you. Planning your day first thing in the morning is a game changer. Without it, your mind gets pulled in 100 different directions, leaving you feeling scattered and unproductive. Start your day by writing down your top 3 priorities. This helps you focus on what truly matters and ensures that you are moving toward your goals, not just reacting to distractions. Planning reduces anxiety, helps you make better decisions, and gives you control over your time. It turns every day into an opportunity to move closer to the life you want. 3. Talk to yourself like someone you respect. Though you talk to yourself shapes your mindset and influences your actions. If you constantly put yourself down or belittle your efforts, it becomes harder to achieve anything. Instead, practice speaking to yourself with respect and kindness, just as you would to a friend you care about. Encourage yourself, celebrate small wins, and remind yourself that you are capable of growth. By changing your internal dialogue, you build mental resilience and confidence. Respectful self-talk empowers you to push forward, even when things get tough. 4. Take action when your mind says delay. The moment when your mind tells you to delay is the exact moment when you need to take action. Procrastination often comes in the form of "I'll do it tomorrow," but tomorrow never comes. The key to breaking this cycle is acting in the moment, even if you don't feel like it. Taking that first step creates momentum, making the rest of the task feel easier. Start small, whether it's sending in the mail, making a call, or getting out of bed. Push yourself to take action right now. The more you act despite hesitation, the stronger your self-discipline becomes. 5. Push yourself to finish what you start. It's easy to start a task, but it takes true discipline to finish it. Pushing yourself to complete what you start builds character and strengthens your resolve. Whether it's a workout, a project, or even a small task, finishing it gives you a sense of accomplishment and reinforces your commitment to yourself. Don't leave things half done. Finish strong, and in doing so, you'll become someone who follows through on their promises, both to yourself and to others. 6. Say no to things that drain your energy. Saying no is an important habit that protects your peace and keeps you focused on your goals. If you say yes to everything, you risk spreading yourself too thin, leaving no room for what truly matters. Learn to say no to things that drain your energy, whether it's toxic relationships, mindless distractions, or tasks that don't align with your values. By setting boundaries and respecting your time, you protect your energy and create space for growth. Saying no isn't selfish. It's necessary for your well-being and success. 7. Learn something new every day to sharpen your thinking. A sharp mind is crucial for growth. Make it a habit to learn something new every day, whether it's reading an article, listening to a podcast, or reflecting on an experience. Constant learning keeps your mind sharp and helps you adapt to changes. The more you learn, the more confident and capable you become in making decisions. Challenge yourself to think differently, and you'll find that life becomes clearer and more purposeful. 8. Move around to prevent your mood from sinking. When you're feeling low or stuck, movement is one of the most powerful tools to shift your mood. A short walk, stretching, or even standing up and changing your posture can reset your energy and clear your mind. It's not about waiting for motivation to hit. It's about moving your body to create the shift. By integrating movement into your daily routine, you not only improve your physical health, but also support your mental clarity and emotional resilience. 9. Reflect on your day and identify what improved. At the end of each day, take a moment to reflect on what you improved. This simple habit helps you see progress even when it's not obvious. Small wins, better decisions, or moments of growth, acknowledge them. By doing so, you build confidence in your ability to improve and stay motivated on your journey. Reflection allows you to adjust and keep moving forward. turning every day into an opportunity to get closer to your goals. 10. Stick to good habits until they feel natural. Key to lasting transformation is consistency. Stick with your good habits until they become second nature. Don't give up just because it feels hard or uncomfortable in the beginning. Over time, your habits will become part of who you are, and success will feel effortless. Remember, the process takes time, but with persistence, your habits will shape your identity and guide you toward your goals. Conclusion: if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss an update. By implementing these 10 habits, you can rewire your mindset and start living the life you've always wanted. It's not about waiting for the perfect moment. It's about taking action today. Start building these habits and watch your life transform one step at a time.